In this screencast, we're going to take all of the materials we've collected for our book trailer project and we're going to put them into an iMovie. So let's go down to the dock and open the iMovie program. When the program opens, you're likely to see a lot of different projects and events that other students in your building have created. We're going to open up a new project to work with today from the File menu at the top of the screen. Go ahead and name this something that's going to stand out to you and that will be different from the other files already saved in the program. I've used Jeremy's book trailer for mine. Everything else that's preset in this window is going to work just fine for the book trailer. In the upper left, you'll see your workspace. In the upper right is a panel that shows you what the slides look like, and down at the bottom there's a window that has a lot of the different materials that are available on the computer. We're going to go into our project folder and we're going to work with our text slides first. So open up that Word document. You might make it a little bit smaller on the screen so that you can see both the text and the iMovie screen at the same time and go back and forth. Back on the iMovie screen, we're going to go and we're going to hit that button that says T on the right side. T stands for text. And they're going to show you all the different formats of text slides that iMovie has available. These are also formats that can be added to a slide later, and we want to do most of our editing later. So let's choose the first one, which is just the basic title slide, and drag it to our workspace with our mouse. You can go ahead and choose the background you want, which can be different on different slides. Black is a popular background for a book trailer. Over on the right, it shows me what that text is going to look like on the screen. So I'm going to go back to my Word file and copy the text I want on this slide and then paste it into that section of the slide that holds the text. It doesn't look like it's there right now because it's black and my background's black, so let's fix that. Let's go to the button at the top that allows me to change its appearance. I'm going to change the color there in the top of that window to any color I wish. I'm going to choose white. That'll stand out from the black background. I'm also going to change the size of the text. You might have arranged these things beforehand in your Word file, but even if you need to change it, here's the place to do it. So once I'm done with these changes, and I click on the background, there's what my text looks like. For now, that looks great. I might change it down the road. I'm going to minimize my Word document for now so that we can work with a different media type. Let's open our project folder again, which was minimized, and let's work with pictures. Pictures are easy. You just click the file and drag it over to your workspace, and there it appears. If you wanted to move that picture, say in front of that text slide, you would just pick it up and move it over to where you want it. Music works the same way. Music just gets dragged into the project space. It'll tell you how long the music is by showing you how many slides it covers. My music is much longer than 2 slides, so right now it's covering them both. Let's go back down to the format for the different text slides, and let's take another one of them, but this time let's add it to my picture file. You can put text on top of pictures just by dragging those different text formats where you want them, and then altering them the same way that you did before. Below the project specs, there's a play button that lets you view what the iMovie is going to look like even before you're done with it. One of the things this helps you realize is, are my slides long enough? You might need to change the slide length. If you double click on a slide, a little dialog box opens that lets you change how long that slide will appear on the screen. So I'm going to do that with both of my slides. Sometimes you'll be doing this with your slides near the end of your project so that they add up to the length of your song, or simply so people can read what's on the screen or see all of the image that you've shown them. You might have noticed that iMovie has not been asking me to save what I've been working on. That's because it's been saving automatically. In order for me to finish the day and then come back and work on my project later, say on a different computer, I need to go find this file. If I go to my computer and go to users, right now I'm working under the student login. So I'm going to click on students, and these are the types of projects students are creating. So let's open movies, and then let's go to iMovie projects. That's on there. That's what we've created. And there's my file in that list. So I want to copy it because I'm going to take it with me. And I'm going to put a copy of that file in my project folder. Once I'm done for the day, I'll drag my project folder into my flash drive to take with me. And when I come back onto a computer later, I'm going to drag my project folder back out onto the screen.